Can you believe almost 4 million parents are now homeschooling in the United States? And the high majority are using programs that are confusing, they're screen based, and provide old, disconnected curriculums. That's why we created the Schoolhouse Anywhere. The curriculum is based on the most successful elementary school in America. Everything is in just one place. The site is easy to navigate. That's what we all want, right? It connects you to a national community and is priced to be affordable for all American families. Remember, learning is a birthright, not a business opportunity. So let's dive in. The first stop are our subjects. Here, the homeschooling parent or the educator you hire will find what you are teaching in easy 6-week increments. It's not overwhelming. Take your planner out and fill in what you'll cover each week. Click on the topic listed on the curriculum. For language, for instance, you'll watch a short film hosted by educators, the best educators who have master's degrees as well as the coveted AMI and AEC training. You'll then open the other 2 doors where you will find materials and printed worksheets to assist you. Listen, we all want to do what is best for the child. Worksheets alone are not. Children from 0 to 12 need to move materials and move in general to understand concepts. Worksheets are then used to augment materials. You can easily purchase a set of materials that you will use for many years. Printable materials offer numerous items to download and print out for effective learning sessions at no cost. The films feature educators who have built the schoolhouse. This is important. 36 educators who have built a brick and mortar school. They are lifelong educators with significant credentials, and that's important. They teach you how to teach.
We've been doing a lot of work on parts of speech, and today we're going to introduce the grammar box.
Children from 0 to 12 learn through movement and stories. Let's remember that. Big, bold, passionate nonfiction stories make subjects like physics, algebra, and grammar exciting. They engage children and open the world to them. Here we cover the globe with stories packed with culture, science, and geography. For instance, let's look at Europe. Stunning visuals enhance the journey, and you do not have to do this in addition to teaching your child. It's all here. We'll guide you through setting up the classroom, because our mantra is no politics, no gossip, and no stress. You can follow us to set up a flexible space for learning that you can design according to your own family's needs. If you want to read more at night about how children learn, and we hope you do, you can. You can also attend webinars that will help you do this for your child. Done with a lesson? Feeling your child has mastered it? Transparent Classroom lets you click and post, so you know what you've covered at all times. What you have to remember is that you are not alone. We're all in this together. To give your child the very best education from your home, here you can discuss, learn, share, attend webinars, and connect, all in one place. What you're doing is vital for your child. And let's face it, it's vital for our nation. You can do this. And our only mission at the Schoolhouse is to help you with the best possible way to educate your child. Let's change school together.